Welcome to BluLink Marketing. Today, we're diving into the world of paid advertising. We'll explore different platforms and provide you with tips to maximize your advertising budget. Paid advertising is a powerful tool to reach your target audience quickly. Unlike organic methods, paid ads allow you to place your message in front of potential customers instantly. Let's explore some of the most popular paid advertising platforms. Google Ads is one of the most effective platforms for paid advertising. With its vast reach and detailed targeting options, you can create ads that appear on Google search results, YouTube, and other partner sites. Start by choosing the right keywords for your business. These keywords should align with what your potential customers are searching for. Setting a realistic budget is crucial, as it determines how often your ads will be shown. Crafting compelling ad copy is essential to attract clicks. A strong call to action can make a significant difference. Remember to use ad extensions like site links, callouts, and structured snippets to enhance your ads and increase click-through rates. Google Ads also offers retargeting options to help you reach users who have already interacted with your website, increasing the chances of conversion. Facebook ads offer a unique advantage with their detailed audience targeting. You can target users based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This allows for highly personalized ads that resonate with your audience. Start by defining your target audience. Use Facebook's audience insights to gather data on their interests and behaviors. Next, create eye-catching images or videos that stand out in the newsfeed. Writing engaging ad copy is crucial. It should be concise, persuasive, and relevant to your audience. Experiment with different ad formats like carousel ads, video ads, and slideshow ads to see what works best for your campaign. Don't forget to monitor your ad performance regularly. Facebook provides detailed analytics that can help you adjust your strategy based on the data. Look at metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click to measure the effectiveness of your ads. Instagram ads, managed through Facebook Ads Manager, are perfect for visually driven campaigns. Instagram is a highly visual platform, making it ideal for brands that rely on strong imagery. Use high-quality images and videos to capture attention. Instagram Stories ads are particularly effective due to their full-screen immersive experience. Stories ads can include videos, photos, or a combination of both, and they appear between users' stories, making them hard to miss. Make sure your visuals are engaging and your message is clear to drive better results. Use Instagram's various ad formats like photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, and collection ads to reach your audience. Instagram's targeting options are as detailed as Facebook's, allowing you to reach the right users with precision. LinkedIn ads are ideal for business-to-business marketing. LinkedIn's professional environment makes it the perfect place to reach decision-makers and industry professionals. You can target professionals based on their job title, industry, company size, and more. Sponsored content, in-mail, and text ads are some of the formats you can use. Sponsored content appears directly in the LinkedIn feed, making it great for visibility. In-mail allows you to send personalized messages directly to LinkedIn users' inboxes, which can be highly effective for lead generation. Text ads are small, simple ads that appear on the sidebar. LinkedIn ads might be more expensive than other platforms, but their precision targeting can provide high-quality leads. It's important to keep your ad copy professional and to the point, reflecting the tone of LinkedIn's user base. No matter which platform you choose, here are some universal tips for effective paid advertising. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your ads, be it brand awareness, lead generation, or sales. Setting clear goals helps you measure the success of your campaigns and make necessary adjustments. Know your audience. Understand your target audience's needs and preferences to create relevant ads. Use the targeting options available on each platform to reach the right people. Monitor performance. Regularly check your ad performance and use analytics to make data-driven decisions. Each platform offers detailed analytics to help you track key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. Optimize continuously. A/B test different elements of your ads, such as headlines, images, and calls to action, to find what works best. Continuous optimization helps you improve the effectiveness of your ads over time. Budget wisely. Allocate your budget based on your goals and continuously adjust it based on the performance of your campaigns. Make sure to invest more in the platforms and ad formats that provide the best return on investment. Paid advertising can significantly boost your business's visibility and growth when done right. At BluLink Marketing, we're here to help you navigate the world of digital marketing. Visit us at BluLinkMarketing.com to learn more about our services and how we can assist you in achieving your business goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and insights. Thanks for watching.